This is the Offroad seat pack, which includes the rear stabilization rack. It uses our gear straps to fix the bag and the rack to the bike. It has our molly system, so you can fix other bags to the bag. And it uses an air release valve on the base to be able to release all the air from the 17-litre single compartment. So inside the package you will get the seat pack, 2 850mm gear straps, 1 200mm gear strap, the stabilization rack and the clamping parts and tools for that rack. The clamp is made of 2 parts and comes with some thin inserts and some thicker inserts depending on your seat post diameter. So we're first going to fix the clamp parts onto the seat post. I'm using the thinner inserts because this is a 31.6mm seat post. So the face plate faces forward and this part of the clamp faces rearward, and just screw them together loosely at the bottom of the seat post. So next we're going to fit the stabilization rack to the clamp here. Now you can tighten the screw to about 5 Newton meters. Depending on the angle that you want the bag, you'll need to tighten the clamp on the seat post between 15 and 10 centimeters down from the saddle rails. Before packing the bag, you should open the air release valve at the base of the bag. Then you should roll down towards the base 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and buckle over the top like this. You can then close the air release valve. We now use all 3 of our straps to fix the bag to the stabilization rack. So first take one of the 850mm straps with the side opposite the logo and thread it through the last loops on the bottom of the rack like this. Put it all the way through. Then fit the bag generally into position and thread this strap through the slot here on the left hand side of the bag. Thread this through the saddle rails onto the other side of the bag, like so, through the other slot on the right hand side of the bag, like this, and pull tightly. Next, thread the strap through the keeper and pull tight, and holster the strap through the loop and under the saddle. With the other 850mm strap, thread it through this TPU eyelet first, pulling it through, then under the rack through the last set of loops and pull all the way through. Go through the bottom of the eyelet on the other side of the strap, through 1 or 2 of the keepers on this and pull tight. Put it under the saddle rails again. Bring the strap through the buckle here, fix it tightly, go underneath the saddle again, and you can holster the end of the strap in the loop on the other side. With your 200mm strap, go through one of the front loops at the front of the bag and tighten around the seat post. Like so. Thread the strap at the base of the bag through the stabilization rack slot. And lastly, fix the strap over the top of the bag securely. You can use the molly system on the bag to fix other bags or packs like our tool pouch here in positions like this or in this position. There are a couple of things to be aware of when using this product. The rear stabilization rack is for stabilization only, so it does not bear weight. You must always use the gear straps with the rack. We recommend a maximum of 7 kilograms bag weight when used with this system. The other thing to be aware of is that the seat post clamp should be used with alloy metal seat posts only.